Yung inaabangan nating bloodbath, matutuloy na talaga. Exciting days are here again. GMA News Online. Ito po. Day 1 of BP Sara impeachment trial eyed on August 4, Villanueva. Okay. So, by Leonesca Pante, published July 16. The impeachment trial of Vice President Duterte may begin on August 4 or a week after the 20th Congress opens, according to Senator Joel Villanueva. Sabi ng senador. Kasi ang magiging majority floor leader na pabalita is itong si Senator Joel Villanueva. So siya ang nag-arrange nito. Kaya maganda at nagsasabi na siya na meron na day 1. Kasi ako, gustong-gusto ko talagang makapanood ng impeachment trial. Matagal na yung napanood ko noon, how many years ago, CG Corona, President Erap Estrada. Kung noon, exciting, mas exciting ito ngayon. Bloodbath talaga. If SONA is July 28, sabi ni Senator Villanueva, so you're looking at the week after, August 4. We're looking at August 4 to convene, sabi ni Senator Villanueva, sa kapihan sa Manila Bay Forum Wednesday ngayon. Villanueva was referring to the fourth son of President Marcos. Okay. It looks like, sabi niya, we are going to wait for 1 week to organize ourselves. At ang House, ganun din po. And then a week after, we can convene the impeachment court and have the defense and the prosecution present their cases. Yan na. Bakbakan na. Bloodbath na. Villanueva also defended the Senate's move to return to the House of Representatives the articles of impeachment against Duterte without dismissing or terminating them last month. To me, that's a good move. At least, tuloy pa rin yung trial. Masamang kasi kung na-dismiss ka agad noong 19th Congress. If you look at the history of impeachment proceedings, sabi ni Senator Villanueva, the first few days, 10 to 12 days, lagi po yan about jurisdiction. Patay sila ngayon. Laging yan ang debate. With this, we'll be able to shorten the time na tanungin ng prosecution. Ayan. Nakikita na ang unang tatalakayin yung jurisdiction. Nagsabi na si Senator Marcoleta na meron ba tayong kaso? Parang gano'n. Andali, impeachment, di ba? 19th Congress yan? Tapos na ang 19th Congress 20th tayo. Wala naman tayong impeachment. Gano'n. Ang takbo. So, madugong debate yung jurisdiction issue. So, dyan, yung sinasabi na day 1, August 4, ang unang tatalakayin is jurisdiction. I don't know anong mangyari. Kaya yun, masarap manood. Baka kagaya nung June 10, nag-move si Senator Bato na dismiss. Mamaya, talakayan na. Batorne versus Bartap na Chair Coco Pimentel. Hanggang, yan na, amendment. Motion ni Senator Cayetano, ibalik lang muna. Ayan, dinalik. So, dito, jurisdiction issue, pwede nang may mag-move. Sabi na nga ni Senator Escudero, if somebody moves for the dismissal at may mag-object, the only way to resolve the issue is botohan. So 13 lang ang kailangan para ma-dismiss yung impeachment complaint. So, may 13 ba? Yes, sa tingin ko. Made na yan. So, ang mapapanood lang natin na bloodbath, ito lang ano. itong debate sa jurisdiction, mga ilang araw siguro yan. 1, 2 days, 3 days. And then magbutuhan. Baka first day pa lang, butuhan na eh. Yun na, tapos na. So, what happens next? Takbo na sila sa Supreme Court. Kaya mas mabuti pa, sabi ni Senator Villanueva, ang Supreme Court sana mauna na mag-decide tungkol sa mga petition na naihain sa kanila sa ano. Kaya nga, pinapasagot na ang Senado pala nag-submit na ng kanilang reply kasi ni-require ng Supreme Court, Congress and Senate to submit. Ang Senado nag-submit na, sinasabi na kulang sila ng information. Kasi nga ang information nandun sa Kongreso, Kamara. I don't know up to now kung nakapag-submit na within 10 days unextendable. So kung nakasubmit na, yun, makapag-discussion na ang High Court, Supreme Bank, at yun na nga, mas maganda kung mag-decide muna sila. But kung wala pa rin decision, edi tuloy ang impeachment trial August 4. So, nakahanda pa si VP Sara. Sabi naman ng spokesperson ng OVP, makakasave ng malaki ang Philippine government kung hindi na matuloy. Kaya lang, kung matuloy, nakahanda daw si VP Sara. And I believe nakahanda. Gustong-gusto niyang umarap. Ako rin, gusto kong mapanood yung bloodbath presentation of evidences.